In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your MS Word documents to PDF using your mobile phone. For this tutorial, we are using WPS mobile app, which you will use to open your MS Word document on your phone. After opening your document and you are done with editing and everything you want to do on your document, and you are ready to save your documents in PDF format, go to the top left corner of your document where you have save icon beside done. You tap on it, it will show folders where you like to save your document. Select the folder where you want to save your document and edit the name of your document as you want it. Then at the right hand side of the title of your document, select the option you are having there, select PDF, then tap save. Select export to PDF and to save as PDF. Now your document is exported to PDF format. So you can go to your file manager and see your document. As you can see, your document is ready in PDF format. Kindly hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and remember to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Thanks for watching.